and welcome back to my channel. You guys, I'm sorry, I'm like really hot. It's 85 degrees outside plus humidity added to that. It is hot and I can't have the air conditioning on because it's really loud. So I went to CVS again today, or I went to CVS today. The red machine was broken, so I'm okay with it now sometimes, because then when I scan an item I can see if a coupon will attach to it, or like certain things, so that's kind of a good thing. But I'm here to share with you guys, I got a ton of P&G stuff. Now, if you guys are doing the P&G stuff and you guys are signed up for that P&G everyday, now if you guys don't know what it is, I made a P&G everyday video that shows you all the information. But P&G Everyday is where you guys can submit your receipts and you guys get points for every product that you buy. You get 50 points for every P&G product that you buy. But it only goes up to 5 items per receipt. So if you guys are doing these, definitely do them in separate transactions, you guys. You can only submit 3 receipts a day. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on some freebies. Sorry, this person's parked right next to me taking 4 parking spots up. But you guys can actually submit, or you guys can submit 3 receipts a day and you guys will get points. So I'm actually saving my stuff up, and I actually redeemed a Starbucks gift card and you get it like instantly. So just giving you guys a heads up. So I did 3 separate transactions because I wanted to do 3 different rebates, or 3 different things for the P&G. So that is what is going on. So I ended up getting the mouthwash deal. One of the coupons did not, or one of them did not print off, and so she just printed it for me. So I ended up getting 2 of the Scope. I don't want this bee to come inside. You guys want to get 2 of the Crest Scopes mouthwash. These are $4.79. I used a $1 off coupon and a $1 off coupon in today's paper. And then I also got the Crest Advance. Now this was $4.99, and I didn't have. You can only use 2 of those coupons, unless I could have done separate transactions, but not worth it. I had a 4 off of 14 Scope mouthwash or Oral-B CRT that I used. So I paid $8.57. Plus I also forgot to mention that I had a 50-cent app coupon, but I didn't do it in the math. But I had an additional 50 cents off of that. So I ended up getting these for $8.57. You'd get $3, $3, and $2 of an extra care buck. Comes out to be just 57 cents or 9 cents, but I said I had that 50-cent CRT, so I ended up getting these for 7 cents. Awesome, 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 you guys. So that is awesome, and these come for P&G, so that's 3 right there. That's 150 points that they got there. Now, you guys should check your apps. There is currently a freebie. I don't know if they're doing a freebie every single day or if they're just doing a freebie once a day. But the manager that was on duty, she was looking through her phone and she couldn't find it. So it should be for everybody, but it's the ibuprofen or acetaminophen or whatever. But I just scanned it and this one that popped up. But it's a 50 count. This was $5.49 that you guys could get for free. I also had a $2 off pain reliever that was coming off, but I think it didn't come off because of the freebie. And then I had a 20% off, which didn't really come off because of that. So you guys will get this absolutely free. So I gotta check tomorrow and see if a new deal pops up. I ended up getting the Oral-B toothbrushes. Now this was $5.79. I had a $2 off digital coupon that I used for this. So I paid $3.79 for this, but then you guys will get a $3 extra care buck, making it just 79 cents for a 2-pack of toothbrushes. That is awesome. They did change their print. Their old print used to be an American flag, and now it's like tie-dye, like something like that. So if you guys still have the American flag ones, these should be the same exact ones. Now I did the Herbal Essence and the Pantene deal. Now I actually had 2 3 off 10 Pantenes, and so I ended up doing it this way. So the larger size of the Pantenes are 3 for $15. The smallers are 3 for $12. So what I got is I got the 3 for $15s. I used a 5 off of 3 coupon from today's P&G. Plus I had a 4 off of 14. I totally forgot to add it in this thing. I had a 4 off of 14 CRT that I used. So you guys want to buy 3 of these. Use that CRT. Plus I had a $2 off Pantene or Herbal Essence from last week, and then since the red machine was not on, they ended up taking $2 off of that anyways. So 2 of those, and then I bought 4 of the Herbal Essence, and these are 2 for $12. I used 2 4 off 2 coupons. I used 2 3 off of 10 CRTs, plus with the 2 off of 3 and the $2 off. I totally did my math wrong, you guys, on this. Let me just figure it out. So $36 is what they came out to be. I had that 4 off of 14. I had the 3 off of 10 and the 3 off of 10, okay? And then I also had the 5 off of 3 and the 4 off of 2 and the 4 off of 2 and then the 2 and a 2. So you guys would pay $9 for all, was it 7 bottles of that stuff? But then you guys will get a $10 extra care buck, so it comes out to be a $1 moneymaker. I got all 7 of these stuff absolutely for free. So loving it, loving it, loving it. I totally forgot to add that one deal because I did it at the last minute. So yes, okay. Okay, the next deal I got is the Poise. Now the Poise, and right there, you guys, I did all that one transaction, but since I bought 7 of them, I will only get points up to 5 of them on the P&G thing. So just giving you guys a heads up. You could separate that. I could have separated it, but I'm just like, no, I'm already doing multiple transactions. So the Poise was $5.99. I did scan one of them and it said there was no deals for it. I scanned another product, it said there was no deals for it. I scanned this one, there was deals for it. So I don't know, it was weird. But this is $5.99. You guys want to use a $3 off digital coupon. If you guys don't have the digital coupon, we did get some in our inserts last week. You guys would pay $2.99 for this, but then you get a $2 extra care buck, making them just 99 cents, and you can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you guys will get these, you'll get points for them. So yes, okay. Now I got 2 more deals for you. I did the Sally Hansen deal. The Sally Hansen was $3.79. I've been really wanting some metallic nail polish to wear. So these were $3.79. You buy 2 of them, you would pay $7.58. You would get a $5 extra care buck, making it $2.58 or just $1.29 if you guys want to go do that. So I was a complete idiot. So I ended up using a $5 off coupon that was in today's P&G for the Gillette. And then I was going to use 2 $3 off coupons that we got in today's P&G. But then I realized I had a $4 off one that we got from last week. So I ended up using a $3 off coupon, a $4 off coupon, and a $5 off coupon. And then I was scanning it to see what razors would work, and my 3 off of 12 Schick was popping up. So I ended up getting a 3 off of 12 CRT that worked for this. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. So I bought all these at $7.99. I used one $5, one $4, one $3 coupon. And then I also had a 3 off of 12 Schick CRT that was popping up for this. So I paid $8.97, but you guys would get $8 back, making them just 97 cents or just 32 cents a piece. And right here is 150 points, you guys, for the P&G thing. So just giving you guys a heads up, if you guys need to, oh, it's like really hot in here. If you guys really, you know, want to start submitting your points, you definitely want to go ahead and do that. okay. My total came to $8 for everything. From last week, I'm still waiting for the $10 that I lost. I even contacted CVS saying, hey, I lost $10. She's like, okay, you'll get it in 8 hours. It's been a whole week and I still haven't gotten it. I'm just gonna take it as a loss because I hate CVS's customer service. I was on the phone for over 20 minutes and she was telling me like, what deal did you lose it from? I'm like, I have no idea. I gave them all what I had. So they never reissued it for me. I hate CVS's customer service, that's all I'm gonna say. But I ended up using $38 of extra care bucks, but I did receive $36 back. I probably will be receiving $3 back for beauty because I did buy $30 worth of beauty. So my grand total technically came to $10 for everything, minus the beauty thing. So it came out to, I got 17 items at just 58 cents a piece. I think is a pretty good deal. Plus, you guys, I have 3 different receipts that I'm going to scan my receipts for the P&G, you guys, because I'm pretty excited to get some freebies with that. But if you guys enjoyed my CVS haul, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next week for another awesome haul. I'm hoping to have some more P&G stuff. I'm really liking that new program. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and bye-bye.